Okay, wait. Okay, let's not play around.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Come on.
Kikiriki! No.
Un gallo.
Hi everyone, welcome. We have new flowers to show you that just came in today. We have our new cherry blossoms that they were here before, but this is a new shipment. We were missing some colors, but we now have them all. Come and get them before they run out. There's limited quantities on these. And then, what do we have, Michael?
We have some pretty autumn leaves. Hello, here we are. We have autumn leaves in just about every color you can imagine. So if you're ready for fall harvest,
Come and get all
your fall items.
Look at all these colors, beautiful colors that they came in. 3-4 colors they came in, and this is a new item for us. They're all kind of like a dry look, but they're not dry flowers. They're all beautiful in different dahlias, alliums in different colors. We're gonna show you all of them, that they're amazing and they're beautiful. It's a new look. We just got them. Rocky's gonna show you all of the colors.
Hello, how are you? Here are some of the dahlias. These are just a few of the colors. And some beautiful peonies. Very perfect for fall. And then these are alliums. We only have 3 colors available, but they're really perfect for fall. Come and get them.
What?
Here, Marcy.
Oh, they're down there.
We also have these autumn peonies, and we have them in different colors. What other colors do we have, Tina?
Oh, all of the other colors. We have the burgundy, we have a brown, a vanilla. It sounds like a ice cream.
All these pretty
She's like,
colors.
Be mine.
Got those colors. Look at these, Rena.
Look at this beautiful sedum flower that we have that just came in. These are gorgeous. I think you're gonna have a lot of fun working with these. We're excited to have these.
I know, they're all new. Look at these ranunculus. They're beautiful. Beautiful colors for the autumn, fall. Beautiful. They're like a dry look. How gorgeous are these?
Can you explain how they feel?
The texture on these, they almost feel like a dried flower, but these are actually a fabric flower. So there is a little bit of rustling you can feel or hear in that. But you know, these are a nice quality flowers, so I think these are great. I think for wedding work, fall wedding work, you know, there is a new look in all of your wedding and event planning where you're dealing with all these faded flowers and whatnot. So this is an actual look that is being marketed right now, and I think these are great to be blended in with all your other natural stems as well. You can blend in some dried flowers, all of your bleached flowers, all of those items. This would be beautiful, I think, with your pampas grass for a very natural, a very bohemian sort of look as well. So yeah, I mean, there are all kinds of looks you can use these for. The potential for these is innumerable.
They look beautiful. They actually do look like dry flowers, but they're actually not. And you can make a beautiful combination for the fall, or a beautiful combination, like Michael said, for weddings. Look how beautiful.
Hey, check it out. We have our own private label now. Is that awesome or what? All of our new stuff has this tag. Isn't it beautiful? I'm so excited.
So if you're ready for fall, if you're ready for autumn, you're ready for the change of the seasons, please come by Craftex and look at all of our new offerings. Thank you.